Whole house water filter, home water filtration system, residential water purification, clean water for entire home, whole house filtration benefits, water quality improvement, complete house water filtration. Whole home water treatment, main water supply filter, household water purification, home water softening, filtered water at every tap, water treatment solutions, healthier home water. Water appliance protection, sediment removal system, chlorine removal, heavy metal filtration, plumbing preservation, eco-friendly water filtration, maintenance of whole house filters. Water quality assurance, water filter for entire house, clean and safe home water, water filtration installation, long-lasting water quality, comprehensive home filtration, residential water treatment. Installing a Unicorn whole house water filter is the health and well-being of your family, the longevity of your plumbing and appliances, and the overall comfort of your home. It is a practical solution to ensure that the water used in every corner of your house is pure, safe, and free from contaminants. Complete water filtration, improved water quality, protects appliances, health benefits, preserves plumbing, convenience, customizable solutions.